Hello, I'm Paul from Velo Works and welcome to our new workshop slash YouTube studio slash place to hang out and have coffee and talk bikes. So here we are in Willway Yard in Bedminster and we're really excited to get this workshop up and running. Come join us to see how we get on fitting this lovely space out. So here's my vise, the Velo Works vise. Now vices are really difficult because modern vices just don't cut it. You put any force through them, so you need to kind of get a freewheel off a wheel and you need to really turn it. I've just found that they just end up breaking and I don't think it's user error. So I found this beast in a second-hand shop. It was completely rusty and it's a nice old vise made in England. Don't know what it's made of. Someone will be able to tell me. But it's good to go. It's lasted us really well. It polished up really nice and I use it for banging all the spoke heads on as it's a nice solid platform to do that. And yeah, and I'm really looking forward to using it in our new workshop. Oh, hi. How's it going? Here in our new workshop. Kitted out, ready to go. A few little touches here and there as we grow into the space, but we're good to go. So thanks for watching the video. If you want to come and see us or book an appointment, let us know. We're at Wheelway Yard in Bedminster. We are appointment only, so it's always worth contacting us first. Collection and drop off is happening as usual. Everything that we do, online store, wheel building, group sets, everything's happening as usual, but we have a nice dedicated space. And can you tell I'm a little bit excited? It's been a lot of work, but really good fun. And we really like the space here at Wheelway Yard. So thanks again for watching. And if you like what we do, please subscribe. I'd better get back to some wheel building. I'll get back to the wheel building.